What's up, everybody? Today we're checking out the Courant Countertop Pizza Maker. This thing is the third best-selling countertop pizza maker on Amazon, and a killer gift for the pizza lover in your life. And I figure what better place to try out all of its glorious oneness than on a camping trip where I have access to AC power. And we're gonna do what nobody else does and show you how this thing whips up national brand, real world pizza pies on the fly. Such pizzas as Red Baron, Brick Oven, Supreme Pizza, Pony's Classic Pepperoni Pie, Tostino's Party Pizzas. And I don't even know where I've been, but these things are square now. I don't even know if you still bake them. And a good old-fashioned store brand Rising Crust. This pizza oven is pretty much plug and play. It is so easy to use. There's not even an on or off switch. There's a red light that indicates that it has power going to it, and a green light that indicates that it is preheated and ready to cook your pizza. The outside surface does get a little warm. It temps out close to around 200 degrees when it's up and running. And the inside preheats to somewhere between 400 and 415 on both the top and the bottom shell, which is convenient because most frozen pizzas cook around 400 to 450 degrees. Let's see what she's got. Man, that was a rager of a pizza party last night that I'm sure we will be talking about for moments to come. But this morning, we're gonna see if this puppy can do something else besides just cooking pizzas. We're gonna try and whip up one of our classic camping breakfasts, some hash brown patties, some Farmer John sausages, and some eggs. Let's see if this thing's more than a one-trick pony. So the first thing that I started off cooking was the hash browns. They take the longest. We did it for 20 minutes total, 10 on each side. Next goes on the Farmer John sausages. Put them on thawed for 5 minutes and then flipped them and let them cook for another 5 while they were all still stuck together. Then, using my spatula, chopped them all apart and rotated them onto the third and fourth side because we like our sausages extra crispy. Finally, after the sausage was done, I left the grease in and threw in the eggs. Normally we do our eggs over hard. These kind of came out more like over well because the eggs were almost frozen because the fridge gets really cold on our camper. But they cooked up nice. After about 2 minutes, I broke them apart and flipped them over, and the end result was very similar to the poached egg that comes on an Egg McMuffin sandwich. Last but not least, you gotta have some seasoning, and man, I love this Morton's Nature's seasoning. This is something that my mother-in-law uses, and the tradition got brought into our house. Super easy for camping.
Oh yeah, check it out. You can make nachos in this thing too. Little tortillas, handful of cheese. Don't be shy with the cheese. Put extra cheese on that. Close the lid, and like 3 or 4 minutes later, you will have some easy nachos. Oh yeah, quesadillas too. I guess the possibilities are endless with this thing. Courant Pizza Cooker is pretty much made for cooking frozen pizzas. There are some other things you can do. You can even purchase round parchment paper for this to make like cookie and brownie type recipes. Always make sure to check out the links in the description so you can check out all of the products used in my videos on Amazon. As far as people I would recommend this for, it would be someone that's only cooking for 1 or 2 people, because like you saw with the breakfast, it does take a little bit of time to get everything prepared, especially because you can't cook it all at once. But kids going off to college, lazy bachelors, people with RV campers, this is a perfect gift for. Anybody have any experience with these or any other ones? I just got a hold of another model made by Presto that I'll be reviewing soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. Thanks a lot, guys. If you have any other gift ideas you would like to see me review before this holiday season gets kicked off, let me know down in the comments. Peace.